Hello everyone. If you follow my social media, you might already know that I'm getting a very special guest this week, which is the Balkan Architect.
What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here.
He's coming to Munich all the way from Serbia, and we're going to talk about architecture, film a few videos together. I'm going to show him Munich. I have a little surprise planned for him as well that I hope he will like. And I thought I will take you with me and vlog the whole experience. So now I'm just waiting for him to come and then we can start the fun! Hey guys!
Hey!
Hey, look who's here! The Balkan Architect made it to Munich!
Yeah, we're here in Munich and now we're just going to walk a bit around town, just to see around a bit.
Yeah, I'm going to show him Munich and like the most famous sites. And then later I have a surprise plan for him.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
So we're in the subway now, going to
Very excited.
the surprise for Milos. Are you excited?
Yeah, I really have no idea what this.
What do you think is expecting you?
I don't know. I really have no idea. That's the dangerous part. The scary
Dangerous part. So do you think we're going to look at something? Or to meet
I think we're going to meet somebody in an interesting place.
Let's see if I can make that happen.
Yeah, sure.
So Milos, we're almost there.
Yeah, I'm freaking out, so I'm really scared actually.
Let me ask you, what is one thing that you really love and you're like a crazy fanboy about?
Rabbit. It's like the safest thing to answer.
Yes, so what company does like produce Rabbit?
Graphisoft? Oh, no.
Graphisoft?
Oh,
Nemetschek?
no. Is it? No, it's like that AutoCAD company.
Oh
Like,
yeah, the
AutoCAD company. Yeah, I think that it's them. Or no, is it like something with a desk? Like I like desks.
Do you like desks?
Yeah, desks.
Do you want to
Is it like
desk?
automatic desk?
Is it awesome?
Are we visiting Autodesk?
Maybe.
Okay.
Would you like to?
Yeah, I would like to.
One excited Milos.
I'm like in Disneyland.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Yeah, of course. So I just picked a couple of highlights here which you can have a look at. So this is actually a kind of a very special demo we have here in the art center. So did you ever try out a VR headset like the HTC Vive?
I tried like those cardboard versions,
Okay.
like with a phone.
Okay.
Do you want to?
Yeah, now it's a chance, you know?
Sure. So exciting.
Yeah. And this is the model of Paris.
Ooh.
So
Have you been to Paris?
No.
Now you can. So I can give you the controllers. Can you see well?
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
So this is what Milos is
Yeah, when
seeing.
you look at your controllers, yeah. you have a legend when you look at your hand, it's stay. And it can also go until the night. So you see the sunset and then the lights will go on. And if you pull the trigger with your index finger, then you are standing in the air. So you can view from above.
Oh wow.
It's cool, right?
It's amazing. Yeah, this is amazing. Paris is amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, this is amazing. It's amazing. Back to real life.
How was it?
It's hot. Yeah, it's amazing.
So would you rather stay in the virtual world now?
Yeah, I might. It might be easier to model stuff there with your hands.
True. Hey guys, now we're at this really cool bar here in Munich. It has this amazingly parametric ceiling. The bar is called Frisou and it's by an architect called Martino Hutz. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's quite amazing. Quite parametric, I might say.
That's what we like. So how did you enjoy your Autodesk experience?
I loved it. I mean, I guess you could say it was amazing.
Was it amazing? Yes.
It was quite amazing, yeah.
So, do you plan on working with Autodesk in the future?
Yeah, I started emailing them my resume like every 24 hours, so hopefully they will get annoyed enough to kind of give me a call and hire me. I don't know. I can only hope.
But I'm glad you enjoyed your days.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was a wonderful surprise.
My pleasure. Make sure to check out the Q&A we did on the Balkan Architect's channel.
She's asking the questions that you guys asked.
Yes, right. And so that was it for this vlog. Bye bye.